Okay, now if you're a Samsung Galaxy phone user, here is a very important tip for you guys. Now usually we run the phone on 120Hz display, which looks buttery smooth. And it also consumes a lot of battery on the phone. Now sometimes you may not need that 120Hz display on all the applications that you use. There may be some applications which you regularly use and spend a lot of time, and you may not want that 120Hz display. You may want just 60Hz display, but rest of the phone needs 120Hz display. In my use case scenarios, I use X a lot, and I also use YouTube Studio a lot during the day. And running them on 120Hz may not be necessary. And by setting those applications automatically to 60Hz whenever I open them is going to save a lot of battery. And for that, there are two methods. One, the easiest method. The other one is the difficult method. Let's first look at slightly difficult method. Let's go to the settings, tap on modes and routines. Now here, tap on routines, tap on plus button, and tap on if condition. Search for app opened. We have got app opened here. Now you can select a specific application. Now for example, I will select X and I'll tap on done. And the then condition, you need to select the display. We've got display here, tap on that. And here you have motion smoothness. Tap on this. Adaptive standard. Standard gets longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 60Hz. Just select this, tap on done, and tap on save. Create this routine. Now whenever I open X, the screen will run at 60Hz refresh rate by conserving the battery. That is fantastic. Now this involves a lot of steps by going to routines and creating a routine for it, right? And you will have to create the routines for a specific application. Now instead, here is the easiest way. Open GoodLock application. You will see this application Display Assistant. Now this is on beta. If you don't have this module, I will leave an APK for this module in the description. You can go ahead and install the APK by turning off the auto blocker. And when you're done, do turn on the auto blocker. You can install this APK and install it on your phone. Just open Display Assistant. We've got some very important options here for the display settings. And among these, we have got standard refresh rate applications. Just tap on this. It clearly says here, extend battery life by applying standard refresh rate for each application. I can open this and here tap on plus button and select all those applications on which you want to run the phone at 60Hz refresh rate. Best part is you can select multiple applications at one go. Just select them and tap on add, and that's about it. All these applications, whenever opened, will run at 60Hz refresh rate by conserving the battery. I'm sure a lot of pro users would already know it, but if you are new to Samsung or if you have not explored these options, do go ahead and check this out. Set some of the applications at 60Hz so that you can conserve the battery on your Galaxy phone. And there are many other options on Display Assistant, like we have got app screen timeout, which can be set. Keep the screen on for up to 30 minutes. You can also add a shortcut for this on the quick panel. Just tap on this to add quick settings right on the quick panel. When you add it, it will be sitting right over here on the quick panel. By default, you may not see it. Tap on edit and tap on add control. Just scroll down and search for it. Here it says it's already added. Keep screen on. If it is not added, you can add it from this particular settings. Now that is how you can do it. And then we also have adaptive brightness options. You can set the brightness change speeds. The speed of brightness change depends on the surrounding environment. If you go to a darker environment, all of a sudden the brightness will reduce. And the speed at which it reduces or the speed at which it increases in brightly lit conditions can be adjusted using this slider. And then comes the standard refresh rates, and we also have screen curtain. Extend battery life by applying screen curtain mode when operation is maintained for a long time without viewing the screen. This is another important feature which can be enabled. Do go ahead and explore these features on Display Assistant. That's about it. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, subscribe. You will get to learn a lot about your devices, and also give this video a like, and don't forget to download the wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some fantastic premium and free wallpapers and some amazing collections on the wallpaper application. The link is in the description. Do go ahead and check it out, and don't forget to rate it 5-star on Play Store if you like the application. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.